Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome to Raisen Spray Booth. And in this video guys, we will see the difference between base coat, clear coat and the single stage paint system. So guys, it is going to be a very interesting video. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, many people get confused as what is this base coat, what is this clear coat and what is single stage paint system. This is a big confusion for many people guys. So today I'm going to clear all that confusion of yours. And I have written here base coat, clear coat and single stage paint. So first we'll see the purpose of the base coat, purpose of the clear coat and purpose of the single stage paint. So guys, base coat, what base coat does? The only thing that base coat does is it provides you with color guys. It can be a metallic finish, it can be a pearl finish or it can be a solid color finish. But all it does is it gives you color. It doesn't give your surface any protection or it doesn't save you from rust either. So that is all a base coat does guys. It only gives you that nice color which you need, the color that you decide that you want on your vehicle. That color base coat will give you, but it will not give your vehicle any protection guys. With that, let's move on to the clear coat, and the clear coat is first of all is a transparent coat guys. It's like a water, you can see through it. And the purpose of the clear coat is it gives your base coat the protection, it will give your surface the protection. This is first of all transparent, it will give your base coat protection, it will give your surface protection. And guys, it will become glossy. The base coat doesn't come with the gloss guys. It is like a matte finish. But to give that the gloss and the depth, you have to apply the clear coat. The clear coat also comes in glossy as well as in matte finish. Depending on what type of finish you choose, you can use the type of clear coat. Now the purpose of base coat we have understood, the purpose of clear coat we understood. Now what is the purpose of this single stage paint system? What the hell is this now? Now the single stage paint system guys will give you the color like how the base coat does, but it will also give you the surface protection like what the clear coat does. And it will also give you the glossiness like how the clear coat does. If you want the matte finish, then you can even have the matte finish. So it is like these two coats of one base coat and one clear coat in one coat of single stage paint coat. I hope you guys have understood that. Very simple. You don't have to apply clear coat on a single stage paint system guys, because it already comes with a nice gloss. And if you want matte finish, then you can even get matte finish in this single stage paint system. But what is the drawback of this single stage paint? That I will tell you further in this video. So keep watching and don't skip even a bit. If you skip guys, you will miss a lot of good information. And remember to like the video now only guys, before you forget. With that guys, let's move on to the second thing. And the second thing is composition. What it is made of. Actually, we hardly need to know what goes in that, but if you know, it is good so that you can decide properly what type paint system you want on your vehicle. So what goes in this? This is made of pigments, resins, but without the protective agents guys. Yes, pigments go in this, resins go, but without the protective agents. So it will not give you protection, but it will give you the color. When it comes to the clear coat, it has transparent resins guys. So it is like water. And it also has UV inhibitors. UV inhibitors guys will give your vehicle the protection from the sun, from the UV rays. Otherwise, if your clear coat doesn't have the UV protection, because it also comes without the UV protection guys, some clear coats which are very cheap doesn't come with UV protection. And if your clear coat doesn't have UV protection, then your base coat will fade very fast. On that you can come to know that your clear coat did not have the UV protection in it because it faded so fast. So this clear coat comes with the UV inhibitors. So before you buy the clear coat guys, see that you see and make sure that the clear coat that you are getting has UV protection in it. Otherwise very fast it will become yellow and it will start to fade. So what goes in the single stage paint system? It is also made of pigments, resins and additives for gloss and protection, guys. So this is what they are made of. Once you know what they are made of, guys, that is enough. Now you know, and now you can decide what things you will apply on your vehicle. So with that, let's move on to the third part, and the third part is the application process, how it is applied. So guys, the base coat is applied on top of the primer, and it is applied with help of a spray gun. Or if the paint on your vehicle is good, guys, if you have clear coat on your vehicle, or if you have single stage paint on your vehicle, and if that clear coat or single stage paint is still in good condition, then you can sand and directly apply this base coat, guys. But if your clear coat is already peeling off, or the single stage paint is already coming out, then you cannot apply on top of it. You will have to take it out completely, then apply the primer, and then apply the base coat. So that is the application of the base coat, guys. Now this base coat, guys, you will choose according to a color. For example, if you choose a color, now you start to apply the base coat. You apply one coat. You are not happy with the shade that you got, so you will have to apply another coat. Once you apply the second coat, you will see that the shade that you had chosen is almost there, but it needs a one more layer of paint. So you apply the third coat. Now after applying the third coat, you feel that this is the shade that you want. Once you get the shade that you want, you can stop spraying that paint, guys, because you already got the color that you wanted. But if you miss a spot, then see that you cover that spot properly, because if you miss a spot, guys, and if you apply clear coat on top of it, then that spot will stay like that forever. So the trick here is apply coats till you get the right shade. So moving on to the clear coat, and the clear coat, guys, have to be applied on top of a base coat. It cannot be applied on the primer, guys. So the clear coat you will have to apply once your base coat is dry. The more coats you apply, it will give your surface better protection, and it will give you a good depth. Good depth means it will give you a good gloss and a mirror like finish, guys. And you can color sand and do the buffing of the clear coat, which will make it look like a mirror, guys. And it is that showroom like finish. But when it comes to single stage paint, guys, it is a one step process. You don't need to apply the clear coat on top of it. Once you apply one coat, you already got the gloss, the shine, and the protection that you need. But you might have to apply 2 to 3 coats so that you cover the area well and so that you get a nice finish. So this is a single step process. This also should be applied on top of primer, or you will have to apply it on a paint which is there on the surface which is in good condition. All three of them are to be applied with a spray gun, guys. You guys know this already. These are basics. So with that, guys, let's move on to the next thing. And what are the examples of a base coat? Now the base coats can be solid color. Solid color means black, white or red, which doesn't have any metallics, any pearls in them. It's just a red, and it doesn't even have that depth. So that is the solid colors. Then it can be the metallics, then it can be the pearl or the candy. The candy is the mixture of both of these, guys, so that I will not cover in this video. Now the example of the clear coat is, guys, it's a transparent layer and which gives you the UV protection. The examples of the single stage paint is, it is only solid colors, guys. You will not get the metallics in this, you will not get the pearls in this. It is only the solid color, because if you want the metallics or the pearls, then you will have to opt for this base coat. This is one drawback of the single stage paint system, guys. So let's move on to the finish that you get on both of these, guys. So the base coat is always matte finish. You will not get gloss in it unless you apply the clear coat on top of it. It can be pearls or a metallic finish. That is what the base coat will give you, but it will not give you the gloss and the protection. You guys know that already. The clear coat will make your surface look glossy, or it will make a surface look matte finish, depending on what type of clear coat you opt for. And when it comes to single stage paint, guys, it will give you glossy and it will give you matte finish as well, along with the protection needed. So guys, you have seen all the points which differentiates both of this. But now when it comes to the costing, let's see how much it will cost you. For example, guys, if you buy 1 liter of base coat, I'm talking about first quality base coat here, guys. There are first quality, second quality, local quality, local quality is the least expensive, second quality is slightly more expensive, and the first quality is the best product and is the most expensive. So for example, if you are buying 1 liter of base coat of the first quality paint system, guys, it can cost you around 10,000 rupees. This is just an example that I'm giving you guys. That's why I've made it a round figure. It won't be a round figure like this. This is only an example. Then you will have to also buy 1 liter of clear coat. So if 1 liter of base coat covers your entire vehicle, then you will need 1 liter of clear coat as well. So that also will cost you around 10,000, guys. And this is I am talking about is in rupees. Yes, guys. So around 10,000 of base coat and 10,000 of clear coat. Now it depends, guys. Sometimes you choose a color which is slightly cheap. Then the cost of the base coat can go down and the cost of the clear coat can go up. Sometimes the base coat is more expensive. Then the cost of the base coat will increase and the cost of the clear coat, it will be the same, but this can go up and down, guys. But when it comes to single stage paint, guys, this can cost you around 5,000 rupees, and that too with the gloss, the protection and the color. But now let's see the drawbacks. This single stage paint system will not give you the protection that the base coat and clear coat system will give you. If a tiny rock falls on your paint, then it will directly chip off your paint when it comes to single stage paint, guys. But when it comes to the clear coat, it will chip off a part of a clear coat. You can do the sanding and buffing and get the shine back, but that you can't do with the single stage paint. And the rust protection also that the clear coat gives you is good and better than the single stage paint, guys. So that is one drawback. The protection is better on this side, and there's one more drawback of the single stage paint system, guys, and that is you will not get the nice metallic finish or the pearl finish or that depth in the gloss that you want. It is just one color, black or white or red. There's no depth, there's no metallics inside, and there is no visual effects. That option you don't have in the single stage paint system, guys. That option you only get in the base coat clear coat system. And if you get minor scratches on your clear coat, you can do the sanding and buffing and get your shine back and make it look as if good as new, guys. Even the maintenance of this is less than the single stage paint system. So if you are slightly on the low budget, then you can opt for the single stage paint system. But guys, if your budget is good, then you can go for the base coat clear coat system, which will give you better looks, good protection and good gloss on your vehicle. And guys, if you want to know how to mix this clear coat, base coat or the single stage paint, or if you want to know how to apply them, what should be the ratios, which primers you should use before applying them, and all that stuff I have put step by step into my course, guys. So if you want to learn autobody and painting seriously, then I have put a link of my course in the description. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. So don't waste any of your time, guys. Go there, enroll yourself and start your journey in learning autobody and painting. And if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fanai signing out until we meet again.